What up? We're gonna hit some chest today. Gonna do some incline bench press. You can hang out with me. My audio should be a little better, so maybe we can talk a little bit through this rather than the music over and stuff. Kind of tell you what I'm thinking as I'm doing the lift. Not as I'm doing the lift, but like preparing myself for the lift and such. Sorry if y'all hear something in the background. It is raining, which I love the rain. So nothing like a good workout rain. But yeah, we'll hit some chest. We'll do some incline bench press. Maybe jump in. Maybe I doubt it. Flat or decline or something. And then some flies and some different variations. And that might be it because a little limited at the home gym. But it's so nice, dude. It's so nice just having it here. So, but hopefully you're getting after it today. I'm gonna get after it and let's do it. So one thing I definitely need to get some room in here. I got the bike like leaned up right here, which works kind of, but we got the laundry rooms like right back there. So if I can convince Keish, we'll clean out a little spot. We'll clean out a little spot and put the bike in there. That'd be sweet. Because over here is the dining room, which might be an office. We'll see. So I will say one thing for sure is that I definitely have not been training for strength, and I can tell. There's been no maintaining any strength for me. Fell off a little bit. I guess in the strength department, like I'm pretty cut up. But in the strength department, dude, fell down. Like 225 now feels so heavy. Like I used to be able to do two on the incline. Like I used to be able to do 225 or 275 on the incline for like 3 sets of 10, and now I pushing it to get 225. I don't know what's happening. Maybe I'm getting old. Maybe my testosterone's going down. I don't know. Something's going on. Maybe I say I don't know what's going on. I probably know what's going on. I'm not eating enough. That's my own fault. So I got to get hungry. Hopefully the mic doesn't like rub on my shirt. We don't want that. Pretty wide grip. Maybe we'll do a little closer, like ring finger. I mean, of course, I'm going fast, but this is just warm up, baby. Warm up. All right, we got 185 on here. Yeah, let's see. I guess I should have looked back and see if the mic was hitting it. I can just shut it off in the. Yeah, we'll get it figured out. All right, so hopefully this feels great. And another thing about maybe now I haven't been training right is I'm just sitting here by myself, you know what I mean? So if I record my videos, would I post it or not? If I act like I got somebody watching me, then I need to give it my all. So that's good. What I really need to get, I need to get a lot of stuff, but some extended arms right here. So set some safety arms so that I can go to failure. Because right now it's obviously just right next to failure. All right, we got, oh, did that just pause it? Never mind. I gotta make sure I'm still recording. 130, 235. Yeah, 235. Yeah, you see how heavy that looks? It feels pretty freaking heavy too. So there's that. Let's go tighten up. You're like the shirt. Faith over fear. Yes, sir. Like a Jesus Christ saves, dude. Ain't nothing but a thing. All you gotta do is accept it. Let's go. One time, I was lifting real heavy. And dude, I was there. I don't know if I was benching or deadlift or squatting or something. I'm just like, imagine Jesus Christ is over there in the corner watching me hit this set. I gotta make him proud. Either that or he was gonna come over here and spot me. Which I don't know what happened. All I know is I lifted it. Whether he lifted it for me or whether it was me because I knew he was watching. We're gonna stick to the 235 and lift it, I guess. Still doing a closer grip. We'll see if I continue liking the closer grip. I've been trying to slowly bring my grip closer because I was doing index finger way out here. But I feel like my shoulders, my elbows are too flared out. I need something a little tighter in right there. So I'm going ring finger lately. Another thing I need to get, dumbbells. If I keep recording videos and making YouTube, I'm gonna give me some dumbbells. Like within the next couple months. Pretty heavy. Yeah, I feel my elbows flaring out trying to push that up. Maybe I should go down to 225. Which is kind of sad. But what are you gonna do? So I do got a wide angle lens on my phone. A little high register. Hopefully it looks good. If it don't, it just is what it is. But the wide angle on the phone itself is terrible. So I'm obviously on no zoom or no. I'm on 1x, okay, with the wide angle on my phone. So we'll see how that works out. Like when I was looking at back, like a little wobbly or something. I don't know what all that's about, but we'll see how it goes. And like the ends are blurry, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this works. All right, I dropped it down 10 pounds. Got 225 on here. Hopefully, I can mustard some of these out. Keep my elbows tucked. Oh. 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 See, I really could have used some safety bars on that one because then I could have got another one or two more out. Okay, so here's the fly system I got going on. I'm hooked to the bottom pulley, which obviously is hooked up to the whole weight pulley back there, or the whole weight lift system. And then it goes to hooks, one cable here, one cable here. Obviously, I got to pull both of them at the same time. I can't just pull one because then it'll have this one, which is not a swivel pulley. So I got to pull it straight out. So me pulling both of these at the same time just pulls that straight out. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. The only thing I don't like about it is that I can't go too wide. So I kind of got to keep my hands close in, because if I come out and then try to come back in, the cable will get out of this pulley. If I had a way to keep that cable in the pulley, then I can come out and not have to worry about it. But it gets the job done. We'll get into it. It's pretty sweet. So when I'm sitting like this, obviously it's a kind of flat or slightly inclined. But being that this is so custom and like a one type deal, because if I lift these up too much, then the angle of the cable from relative to that down there is going to cause the cable to come out of the track of this pulley here. So it gets the job done. It gets the job done. And it's tension the whole way. So it's still tension when I'm way up here. Versus when you got dumbbells, sometimes it can be a little less. There's a word for it. I don't know what it's called right now. But like you lose the tension when you're at the top, because you're kind of just, your arms and your bones are holding it straight. Your chest muscle isn't stopping your arm from going that way. You know what I mean? It's just straight down. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. But yeah, 100% custom here, so I really like it. But yeah, I can't go obviously further than that. Like I can't go way out here, because when I come back in, the cable will come out of the track. But this has been done pretty recently. So, well, but it's funny because my uncle actually got a real nice Rogue, like multi-gym with the pulleys and everything. Stacks on it. It's got 2 different stacks, 200-pound stacks. It's gangster. And the pulleys are adjustable over here. So I was looking into it. And to turn this into that, it was going to be like $2,000. I bought this stuff for $100. So it's getting the job done. I don't have the room for something that big yet. Whoa. 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 Oh. No. All right, we're going to run this one to failure. I'm over here doing some failure push-ups too in between these sets. Oh. 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 Ah. All right. We now have increased to a slightly more incline fly. See how this goes. I'm going to slide this thing on back some. There we go. Ugh. 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 One more of these, and we'll call it a sick pump going on. Ugh. 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 All right, we're gonna call that there. Sick chest pump today. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're gonna call that there. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. Hit a nice little chest day. Sick pump. Hope y'all like the shirt. Just remember, put God first, bro. Put God first. Whether you're trying to make some gains financially, physically, mentally, grow spiritually, He saves, man. He saves. Maybe we'll start incorporating some Bible stuff, Bible study, scriptures. I don't know. Maybe just spread the word, bro. Spread the gospel, because Jesus saves lives and your eternal life, mostly. In this crazy spiritual warfare world we got going on. Love you guys. God bless. See you on the next one.